beings. Exercise 1. Circle the correct alternatives from given question. A. Which kingdom does blue-green algae belong to? I. Monera. E. Protista. E. Fungi. IV. Plantae. Answer. I. Monera. B. What characteristic makes the euglena different from other animals? A. Presence of chlorophyll. B. Unicellular. C. Find in water. D. Depend to other organism. Answer. Sad face. B. Unicellular. C. Who is the founder of the binomial system of nomenclature? I. Carolus Linnaeus. E. Protista. E. Chatton. IV. Robert Koch. Answer. I. Carolus Linnaeus. D. Which kingdom does the organism without a definite nucleus in their cell belong to? I. Monera. E. Protista. E. Fungi. IV. Plantae. Answer. I. Monera. E. Which of the following is an example of a prokaryotic microorganism? I. Azotobacter. E. Euglena. E. Yeast. IV. Amoeba. Answer. I. Azotobacter. 2. Give reasons. A. The five-kingdom system is more appropriate and scientific than the two-kingdom system for organisms. Answer. The two-kingdom system could not include all living organisms. However, the five-kingdom system removed the limitations of the two-kingdom system and made classification more relevant. Therefore, the five-kingdom system is more appropriate and scientific. B. Fungi are also called saprophytes. Answer. Organisms in the kingdom fungi are also called saprophytes because they break down complex compounds into simpler soluble substances that can be absorbed by decomposers. Organisms that feed on dead matter in this way are called saprophytes. C. Monera are considered as more advanced than Protista. Answer. Organisms under the Protista kingdom are considered more advanced than those under the Monera kingdom because Protista are eukaryotic and have a nucleus in their cells. They also have pseudopodia, cilia, and flagella in their bodies, which help them move. They reproduce both asexually and sexually. 3. Write differences between. 4. Answer the following questions. 8. What is the binomial system of nomenclature? Answer. The binomial nomenclature system is the process of naming living organisms using two names: the generic, genus name, and the specific, species name. B. Write the scientific names of human beings: garden pea, mustard, and leopard. Answer. The scientific names of human, pea, mustard, and leopard are respectively Homo sapiens, Pisum sativum, Brassica campestris, and Panthera pardus. C. What are genus and species? Clarify. Answer. A genus is a group of species that have many similar characteristics. For example, animals like lion, tiger, and cat that have similar traits are placed under the same genus Panthera. A species is a group of animals or plants that have similar structure and characteristics and are capable of interbreeding to produce fertile offspring. It is the basic unit of scientific classification of living organisms. D. Draw the chart of the 5-kingdom system and give 2 examples of each kingdom. E. Present the characteristics of Kingdom Monera with examples. Answer. Characteristics of Kingdom Monera. I. Organisms in Monera are microscopic, unicellular, prokaryotic living beings. E. Their cells do not have a well-defined nucleus but contain DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. E. Their cells have a rigid cell wall. IV. Their mode of nutrition includes absorptive, parasitic, saprophytic, and symbiotic. Symbiotic organisms live in mutual association with each other. Examples: bacteria, cyanobacteria, blue-green algae, Azotobacter, Mycoplasma. F. Write the features of Kingdom Protista with examples. Answer. Characteristics of Kingdom Protista. I. Organisms in this kingdom are eukaryotic. E. Their cells contain a true nucleus. E. Most of them are unicellular. IV. Cell organelles are membrane-bound. V. Reproduction occurs both asexually and sexually. Examples: amoeba, euglena, paramecium. G. Clarify the properties of kingdom fungi with examples. Answer. Characteristics of kingdom fungi. I. Organisms in this kingdom are unicellular, yeast, or multicellular, mushrooms, molds without chloroplasts. E. They are mostly saprotrophic and derive nutrition from decaying organic matter. E. Their body is thallus-like. IV. Their body is made up of mycelium. V. They reproduce both asexually and sexually. V. They store food in the form of glycogen. Examples: mucor, yeast, mushroom. H. Write the names of kingdoms of the following organisms. I. Bryophytes Bakur, Kingdom Plantae E. Mold Ducea, Kingdom Fungi E. Amoeba, Kingdom Protista IV. Euglena, Kingdom Protista versus. Paramecium, Kingdom Protista V. Plasmodium, Kingdom Protista V. Blue-green algae, Kingdom Monera V. Azotobacter, Kingdom Monera X. Mushroom, Kingdom Fungi X. Mucor, Kingdom Fungi. I. Clarify the interrelationship among various taxa in hierarchy of classification of organisms with examples. Answer. To understand the interrelation among different taxonomic ranks, let's consider the classification of humans. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Mammalia. Order, Primates. Family, Hominidae. Genus, Homo. Species, Sapiens. Example: human. As we go up the hierarchy, more organisms are grouped together, e.g., kingdom includes all animals, whereas going down the hierarchy narrows down to specific organisms. For instance, Chordata includes only animals with a backbone, Mammalia includes animals with mammary glands, and the genus Homo includes only humans. This shows that each taxonomic level is connected and becomes more specific as we go down. J. Study the given diagram and identify the kingdom of organisms. Write any 3 properties of each organism. Kingdom. Fungi. Characteristics. I. Has rhizoids. E. Lacks chloroplasts. E. Reproduces both asexually and sexually. V. Mucor kingdom. Fungi. Characteristics. I. Appears white or gray. E. Lacks chloroplasts. E. Obtains food from decaying organic matter. C. No-stalk kingdom. Monera. Characteristics. I. Prokaryotic organism. E. No true nucleus in the cell. E. DNA is the genetic material. D. Paramecium kingdom. Protista. Characteristics. I. Has a true nucleus. E. Unicellular organism.